Good morning, and we are starting a new series of episode. Its name is Chemistry with Karan, and every day in the morning, I will put a small topic, a small talk related with the chemistry, and it is broadcast on the Radio MITWS India. I am Dr. Karan, Professor at GJT University, and founder president of MITWS. So, this is the first episode I am going to record right now, and I am saying something a little bit about the basic principles of chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, its physics, its chemical composition, the physical and the chemical changes, which undergo and accompany with the various processes which we are seeing around ourselves. All objects in the universe are composed of matter. Most of these objects are visible, solid and liquid, but some are invisible like gases. Chemistry is concerned with all material substances such as air, water, rocks, minerals, plants, animals, including man. The earth on which we all live and other planets. So, chemistry is such an interesting subject which touches almost every aspect of our life, our culture, and our environment. The present day chemistry has provided man with more comforts for a healthier and happier life. It has given man new plastic, fuel, metals, alloys, fertilizers, building materials, drugs, dyes, etc. During the last few decades, the expansion of chemistry has been tremendous. The field has become wide and complex. For better understanding of the subject, it has been divided into various branches. The four main branches of chemistries are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, and analytical chemistry. So, basically, I am the expert of physical chemistry, and I have learned analytical chemistry too during my PhD research work. I have expertise in developing new materials. So, for developing new materials, we more concentrate on composite materials. More concentrate on the topics, then we work on the polymers, and then polymers again classified as we work on carbohydrates, and then composite of the carbohydrates. So there is one branch is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is confined to the study of the compound of carbon, except carbonate, bicarbonate, cyanates, carbides, and oxide of carbons. Another important branch of chemistry is inorganic chemistry. Deal with the study of all elements and their compounds other than organic compounds. As the carbon has a property of bonded with itself, so organic compound may contain thousands of carbon compound protein, like in protein, or some polysaccharide, or some hormone. So carbon has a capacity, or you can say have a tendency to bond again in another carbon, and we have seen as a result that there are millions of organic compounds around us, produced in the nature, synthesized in the laboratory. Another branch of is inorganic chemistry. This is limited bonding interaction of a specific element with another element. So the number of elements is comparatively less. So in inorganic chemistry, all other elements, compounds of all other elements are studied under inorganic chemistry. We are not telling it's all element chemistry. We say inorganic chemistry. Chemistry with no carbon and carbon compounds. So it deals with all other elements and its compounds. But how this chemical world is working, which laws are working there, how the elements are interacting, how it is produced or how it is destroyed. So we have another branch of chemistry, is physical chemistry. And physical chemistry is concerned with the study of physical properties and constitution of matter, the law of chemical reaction, and the theories governing these reactions. Another one important branch of chemistry is analytical chemistry, because it is a specific. Why it is a specific branch? It deals with the various method of analysis, qualitative and quantitative. As every person want to know how it is prepared, how it is made, what is going on. The answer of our curiosity, our search of knowledge, our the word is a very specific word, I slipped from my mind. The curiosity inside us, our curiosity, what is inside it, or what is going on, how much it is, how it is formed, what is it is formed, and what is this. The answer of all these questions can only be obtained scientifically when we analyze it. So we analyze it either by qualitatively, how much or quantitatively, how much quality is there, how much it is, and what it is. So a large number of techniques are there, phenomena are there, methods are there, like gravimetry, volumetry, spectroscopy, thermal analysis. These all techniques, methods, their theories, and the protocols, analysis of agriculture sample or analysis of clinical sample, environmental sample, and the theories behind it, how it is separate, how the sample will be taken, how we will reach on a specific conclusion about a material or a sample. It all is studied under analytical chemistry. The other specialized branch of chemistries are polymer chemistry, industrial chemistry, radio chemistry, biochemistry, agriculture chemistry, soil chemistry, and others. A brief history of the chemistry. The history of the chemistry can be sub-classified in various periods. Up to 350 AD, it is ancient period. From 350 to 1500, it is alchemical period. From 1500 to 1650, it is called iatrochemistry period. And from 1650 to 1774, it is phylogistone period. And from Lavoisier, from 1743 to 1793. So, from my next recording, I will give you detail about brief history of the chemistry and the name of some important scientists who put the basement of this broad subject. So wait for my next episode, next morning. Every morning I will say something about a new topic of chemistry, and listen Chemistry with the Karan at the rate of Radio MITWS India. So our purpose is we want to make science, exactly popularize science. We make science affordable, understandable to all. We try to develop interest among students and the common people, and try to develop an attitude of science to see the world with a vision of the science. This is the purpose of Radio MITWS India, and this is a community radio. That's why we are trying to call people to contribute. We are not only trying to start a whole YouTube channel or propagate ourselves or looking for the revenue that develop due to the subscriber or seeing pay by the Google company. Exactly, we are looking that people contribute their knowledge, their experience, their expertise, and say the hardcore science in so simple words that a normal person, a lay person, common person,